Daddy again, and today we're going to learn lesson 12.3. Oh, okay. Calculating averages and ranges for frequency data. Well, you can't see this top part. Oops. So far, the list of data that you have calculated averages for have been quite small. Once you start to get more than 20 pieces of data, it is better to collect the data with the same value together and record it in a table. Such a table is known as a frequency distribution table, or just a frequency distribution. Data shown in a frequency distribution table. If you throw a single die 100 times, each of the 6 numbers will appear several times. You can record the number of times that each appears like this. You need to find the total of all 100 throws. 16 ones appeared, giving a subtotal of 1 times 16, which is 16. 13 twos appeared, giving a subtotal of 13 times 2 equals 26, and so on. You can extend your table to show this. The total of all 100 die throws is the sum of all values in this first column. So, the mean score per throw is the total score over 100 over the total number of throws, which is 100, which is 3.73. Median. There are 100 throws, which is an even number, so the median will be the mean of a middle pair. The first of this middle pair will be found in position 50, or 100 over 2. The table has placed all the values in order. The first 16 are 1s, the next 14 are 2s, and so on. Notice that adding the first 3 frequencies gives 16 plus 13 plus 14, which is 43. Which means that the first 43 values are 1, 2, or 3. The next 17 values are all 4s, so the 50 and 51st values will both be 4. The mean of both 4s is 4, so this is the median. Mode. For the mode, you simply need to find the die value that has the highest frequency. The number 6 occurs most often, 21 times. 6 is the mode. Range. The highest and lowest values are low. No, so the range is 6 minus 1, which is 5. Data organized into a stem and leaf diagram. You can determine averages and the range from stem and leaf diagrams. Mean. As the stem and leaf diagram shows all the data values, the mean is found by adding all the values and dividing them by the number of values in the same way you would find the mean of any data set. Median. You can use an ordered stem and leaf diagram to determine the median. An ordered stem and leaf diagram has the leaves for each stem arranged in order from smallest to greatest. Mode. An ordered stem and leaf diagram allows you to see which values are repeated in each row. You can compare these to determine the mode. Range. In an ordered stem and leaf diagram, the first value and the last value can be used to find the range. So that's the end of this video. Thank you and goodbye. Yes, I know it's around 4 minutes so far. I like my videos to be around 5 minutes. But hey, if I read this part, it will be way more than 5 minutes probably. So thank you and goodbye.